Hello students and welcome to today's class. Today, last class we saw the topic of present progressive. Now we will see the same topic but using it to talk about the future, present progressive or future. So let's begin. We can use the present progressive to talk about the future if you have arranged a future event and are talking about, imagine that you call your doctor for an appointment at 6 o'clock. If he confirms this appointment, then it is an arrangement. Okay, this is an arrangement. I'm going to explain it in Spanish so that you don't have any doubt. Esto es como cuando ya tienes una fecha y una hora de que vas a hacer algo, cuando ya está algo arreglado, por así decirlo, que ya es algo pues que va a pasar, porque ya está todo listo. Como cuando haces una cita con el doctor, le dices que si a las 6 se puede, te dice que sí, entonces ya, es una cita, pero más que nada, cita médica, ¿verdad? Pero más que nada que ya sea algo, que sea un hecho, no solamente un plan, sino algo que ya tiene fecha y hora y que sí se va a hacer. Okay? Here, you can say something like, I am attending my appointment at 6 o'clock. As you can see, we're using the present progressive to talk about the future. I am attending, but not now, in the future, at 6 o'clock. Let's take a look to some other examples. Imagine that you have everything ready for a birthday party for tomorrow. You can say something like, we are having a party tomorrow. We are having a party tomorrow. Okay, again, we're using the present progressive for the future. Now, imagine that you decided not to travel for these vacations. You can say something like, I am not traveling on these vacations. Very good. Now, let's practice this. Please open your workbook on page 30. This will be the exercise number 18. Here, you're going to complete these sentences with the correct verb from the box, but you're going to write it in its present progressive form. For example, the first sentence is, I did really the interview. So a new job on Monday. Now we're talking about a job. The best verb to complete it is start. But remember to write it in its present progressive form. Like the subject is I, we will use the verb am and then change the verb to its ing form, that is starting. I am starting a new job on Monday. Like this, continue with the rest of the sentences. If you finish, move on to the next page. This will be the exercise number 19. Here you have to read these sentences and decide if we are using the present progressive for present or future. For example, in the first sentence we have, are you enjoying your English classes? In this case, we are clearly talking about the present. So we circle the letter P. Like this, continue with the rest of the sentences. When you finish, continue with the exercise B. Here, you have to take a look to Carol's appointments. Here we have Carol's appointments and create sentences in present progressive. For example, here we have that Tuesday, 10 a.m., Carol will arrive in Santiago, correct? So we can write a sentence like this. Carol is arriving in Santiago at 10 a.m. All right, so we're using the present progressive to talk about the future. Please write the rest of the sentences, and when you finish, this will be it for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class. Goodbye.